Hello people teacher. Today we are going to discuss the lesson plan on the topic area of square. So let us start. First you will have to write date, class, subject, topic, period and duration. So the topic is area of square. Then we will write general objectives. These are the 5 points that you have to write in general objective. Then a specific objective having 6 level, each having 2 objectives. For that, first one is knowledge level, second one is understanding level, the third one is application level, fourth is analysis level, fifth synthesis level, and sixth is evaluation level. Each one has 2 objectives, so you have to write them. Then material aid. So material aid is model, chart paper, chalk, duster and blackboard. Previous knowledge, students have basic knowledge about area of square. Now you have to write introductory question. The question should be in zigzag manner. So the first question the pupil teacher will ask, that is, what is the shape of bread? Then the student will respond, the shape of a bread is a square. In this form, the teacher will first ask the question and then a student will respond, and the manner should be zigzag. Then the second question is, how many angles does a square have? Square has 4 angles. Then the third question, the angle of a square are constituted by how many sides? The angle of a square are made by 4 sides. The fourth question, what is the portion enclosed by sides in a square called? The portion enclosed by side in a square is called its area. Then the fifth question, how can we calculate the area of square? This is a problematic question. Now statement of aim. So students, today we are going to study and learn about how to calculate area of square. Now we have to make the presentation. So this is the left side of the presentation and this is the right side. In the left side you have to write the teaching point, pupil teacher activity and student response, and on the right side you have to write teaching method, material aid and the blackboard work. So let's start with the teaching point. So in this lesson plan we are making 3 teaching points. So this is the first one is question based on the area of square. So pupil teacher will ask the developmentary question. Find area of square whose each side is 6 centimeter. The question based on this are, how many sides are there in a square? Then a student will respond, there are 4 sides in a square. Then next question, what is the value of each side given in a square? Then the second answer is, the value of each side is 6 centimeter. Then the third question, how can we calculate the area of square? No response. Then you will explain the topic to the students, and on the right side you have to write teaching method that you have used in developmentary question. That is the developmentary questions, and this is the teaching method you have used, and this is the explanation you have given, and this is the method, this explanation method and inductive to deductive method we have used in this. And this is the material aid, this you have to represent in a chart paper. And this blackboard work you have to write it on a blackboard, that the side is 6 centimeter and area of square is equal to s square, that is a 6 into 6 is equal to 36 centimeter. Now the second teaching point is question based on area of square. Same the first teaching point, the second teaching point is same. Now the question we have changed, that is find the area of square whose side is 8 centimeter. The developmentary questions based on it are, first, how many sides are there in a square? There are 4 sides in a square. Second question, what is the value of side given in a square? The value of side given is 8 centimeter. Then the third question, how can we calculate area of square? No response. Then the teaching method used there is question answer method. Then you will explain them about this question, the explanation based on this question. The students are listening in this question, and this is inductive to deductive method we have used, and this is the material aid, and this is the blackboard work that you have to represent on a blackboard. This is the third teaching point, that is question based on area of square. Then you will ask them, find the area of square whose each side is 10 centimeter. Then you will ask the developmentary question, that is how many sides are there in a square. They will respond, there are 4 sides in a square. Then second question, you will ask what is the value of side given in the square. The value of side given is 10 centimeter. How can we calculate the area of square? No response. Now the teaching method used here is question answer method. After that you will explain them about the teaching point. The students will listen here, and this is the material end, and this is the blackboard work. So basically the rule that we have used in this lesson plan is area of square, that is s side into side, that is s square. Now we will write the comprehensive question. These are the five comprehensive question you will ask from the students and write their answer on the blackboard. This you have to write it on the blackboard, and after that you will instruct the student, that people teacher will instruct the student to copy down the blackboard work in their notebook and supervise. After that, this is recapitulatory question. This you have to write it on a chart paper and ask the question from one by one from the student and call them to write their answer. At the last, you have to give them the homework, that find the area of square is sum of all the four sides of a square is 60 centimeter.